Once upon a time, 4 nations lived in peace. But everything changed when the people of fire unleashed a war.
Yes, good animation.
The master of all 4 elements could stop the invaders, but when the world needed the avatar the most, he disappeared.
So, let's go. I will need a lighter refill bottle, which comes with several nozzles, a dropper, an electric lighter for a gas stove, strong thread, and some kind of keychain. In order to release gas from the canister, you need to click on this little thing. And now the question is, how to do it imperceptibly and with what part of the body to make it more convenient. That's why I decided to use the shoulders. On the bottom of the can, I fastened 2 small tubes with threads. And for better fixation, I smeared them with glue, passed a strong thread with a steel core through them, on which I hung a carabiner from the keychain. Then, as you can see, I tied a nylon thread to the neck of the spray can so that a loop was obtained. I put a hose from a medical dropper on the tip of the can and added a part from an old children's designer to it, to which I tied a thread with a carabiner. That is, we get something like the following device. This contraption clings to the pants with a carbine, and the balloon, to which the nylon thread is attached, is put on the shoulder, and when the shoulder is pressed, the release valve will be pressed. That is, the gas will come out through a tube, and here. I pulled out a squeaker from a children's toy and inserted the opposite end of the dropper into it, and thoroughly covered all the junctions with hot glue. Now we need to make sure that the outgoing gas is not ignited with a lighter, so I decided to take an electronic lighter for gas stoves. I removed 2 high-voltage wires from the lighter. And now they need to be fixed on the fire-breathing squeakers. In order for the outgoing gas to be ignited, by a spark from these contacts. Okay, everything is ready. We can start the tests. But, unfortunately, in such cartridges the gas quickly ends. And each time it is unprofitable to do the same manipulations with a new spray can. For this reason, we need to come up with a way to recharge the old spray can. To begin with, I took a large gas spray for tourist burners, and made a kind of adapter from the nozzles. It turns out that we put the nozzle on a small gas spray, insert a large one on top, and my hands don't get cold.
What a sly one you are.
Okay, now I can earn extra money as a magician.